The learning targets that will be assessed in this quiz is that you are able to determine the main idea using specific details from the text, that you can interpret information presented through charts or graphs, and explain how that information helps me understand the text around it, that you will determine the meaning of academic words or phrases in the informational text, and that you can determine the meaning of content words or phrases in the informational text. Part 1 is that you will use the text to answer the questions below. You're going to look at the diagram on the first page of Hanging by the Thread. This diagram here. Circle them now on your paper. Number 2 says you are going to fill in the first column of the graphic organizer. So this column right here that says details from the diagram or the picture. You're going to write down what you notice here just from looking at the pictures and not listening to me read the text to you. When you're done with that, you can hit the next button. The third thing that you are going to do is write what you infer about caterpillars, what you think about them from what the picture tells you, and what you already know. When you're done filling in these 3 spots, you can click the next button. Part 2 is you are going to read or listen to Hanging by a Thread for the gist. In the right-hand column of the graphic organizer above, you are going to record the details that support your inferences in the middle column. So you are now going to take a minute to fill in details that support what you inferred or what you already thought about caterpillars, using the pictures to help and what you already knew. You have to find 3 details or evidence from the text to complete this section. When you are done with this, hit the next button. Part 2, you are going to listen to the text again or reread it and then answer the following questions.